Alright everybody, welcome to our bonus video. In this video, I want to give you some insights of how it looked when you actually have a site built. So I'm bringing you behind the scenes in Site Studio into a site we already have built, that we built. That way you can see how it kind of works in full action. So the first thing we're here is on our welcome page. And scroll down here, you'll see we have typing, and we even have a YouTube video, which you can always do and put on your website, which is always a nice added bonus. People like to watch videos. And I'm going to come over and show you the edit tab, and you can see that this first box, if we launch it, is all the typing on the top. And you saw that we have links here. These are things that you can type and actually go to a different part of the website or an external website, and they're called hyperlinks. So if you want to add those, say we want to do something on Absolutely, you just highlight the word, you come up here and click this little thing. It says make hyperlink. It looks like a little link in a chain, and then all you have to do is type in whatever the website you want. So you do the http:// put in your website. If you want to send it to a certain page, you could go to your website / whatever the name of that page is, and then you hit the insert, and that makes it into a nice little link like this, and then people can click on that and go to a different part of your website. Then you saw in the next box, this here is a YouTube video. They have an embed URL for any YouTube video. So if you have a YouTube video and you want to put it on your site, you can cut and paste it into any of these boxes. You don't have to launch the full screen rich editor. You can just plug it right in, since it's in the HTML language, which is all the fancy computer language. And then you'll go to the settings tab, which you'll see the button text is welcome, which will go over to the view, which is this welcome here. So if you change that under your settings and want to call it thanks for visiting us or whatever you want to put in here, it'll rename that tab. And then this is what it has after your website name. So you can put in anything you want here as well, .html. So you could have, you know, your website, buildyourwebsite.com/welcome.html, and that's what this is. It's that / whatever comes after your website name. So that's our home page. Another thing we'll show you is how we work. We'll come over to the edit, and this is an about page, and you can see you can put the launch these. You can put in your writing. Max it out. You can put in different headings, the process, areas, service, and then you open these up and type in, and then you'll see what it does is see how the process is bolded in a different color, areas, service, so it makes it look nice and special, and makes things differentiate real nice. And then you have your settings tab. See here we call this sellmyhome.html. So that's what it says, our website name / that. And then the how we work right here is what we decide we wanted our button text to be, which again is just the how we work here. Another one we'll go to, and this is one I really like and I know a lot of people use on their websites, is some type of questionnaire. We have all these questions here. Stars mean they have to answer them, and then they can submit it down here and it automatically emails to us. So let's show you what that looks like behind the scenes. We'll go to the edit tab, and pretty much you fill in the top with your email and everything, and then down here is where you have all, you can keep adding right here as many as you want, and you enter all your questions you want. And if I click edit, I'll show you kind of what it looks like. See, I put the name, answer is required, means it has a little star and they have to answer it. If it's not, you can put no and they don't have to fill it in. So anything you definitely want them to answer, make sure you have it clicked there. Then you pick the true and the false, yes or no, the single line, multiple lines, whatever it may be. So you can go in and do that, and you can see how we have some yes and no's and stuff through there. So that's a really neat form that you have for people to submit queries for business you do or whatever it may be. And then the last thing we'll look at is the contact us. Now the contact us page, you can have some info here. It automatically has this little neat quick email where they can put in their name, their email, and send whatever question they have, and just hit submit, and it comes directly to you, which makes things quick and easy for your customers. me show you the edit tab. Now you can put in your street address, your city, phone number, zip code, all that good stuff, and it'll fill in and automatically make it look nice and sharp out on this page here. And then our settings, same thing here, we call it the contact.html, and the button text is contact us. Another quick thing we'll show you here is the sitemap. This shows you all the different pages you have. You can delete them, change your settings, anything from here. And then order pages, you can always come in here and reorder your pages, and what this does is it changes that left hand column that you see, the order that all those pages are in. This is how you change the order if you want them in a different order. And then you have your site settings here, and we've gone through this where you can change your website colors and look at different things as well. And then when you're done, of course, you just hit this publish. So we hope this bonus video gave you a little insight and showed you some more things about what you can do, and show you a few examples of what it looks like when you have a completed website in there. So we wish you the best of luck on launching your first website. Thank you very much.